The blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. When most people hear the word blockchain, they immediately think of Bitcoin or Ethereum. While cryptocurrencies introduced blockchain technology to the world, they represent only a fraction of its true potential. Today, blockchain is transforming industries far beyond digital money, reshaping finance, healthcare, supply chains, governance, and even art. Blockchain is not just about currency. It is about trust, transparency, and decentralization in a digital world. What is blockchain, really? At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Once data is added, it cannot be easily altered. This immutability creates a system where information is transparent, secure, and verifiable without relying on a central authority. Instead of trusting a bank, corporation, or government, blockchain allows users to trust mathematics and distributed consensus. 1. Supply chain transparency. One of the most promising applications of blockchain is in supply chain management. Companies can track products from raw materials to final delivery. For example, food companies can trace contaminated products instantly. Luxury brands can verify authenticity. Pharmaceutical firms can prevent counterfeit drugs. Retail giants like Walmart have used blockchain to trace food products within seconds rather than days. This reduces fraud, improves safety, and builds consumer trust. 2. Healthcare data security. Healthcare systems struggle with fragmented patient records and data breaches. Blockchain can secure patient records, allow controlled data sharing between hospitals, reduce medical fraud, improve clinical research transparency. Instead of hospitals owning your data, blockchain allows patients to control access to their own medical information, enhancing privacy and efficiency. 3. Smart contracts and automation. Blockchain platforms like Ethereum introduce smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded into the blockchain. For example, insurance payouts triggered automatically after verified events. Real estate transactions executed without intermediaries. Freelancers paid instantly once work is approved. Smart contracts eliminate middlemen, reduce costs, and minimize disputes. 4. Voting and digital identity. Election fraud and identity theft are global concerns. Blockchain-based systems can enable secure digital voting, prevent duplicate votes, provide tamper-proof digital identities. Some governments and organizations are experimenting with blockchain voting systems to increase transparency and trust in democratic processes. 5. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Beyond traditional banking, blockchain powers decentralized finance, DeFi, a financial ecosystem without banks. Users can lend and borrow money, earn interest, trade assets, access financial services globally, all without a traditional financial institution. This has massive implications for the 1.4 billion unbanked people worldwide, giving them access to financial tools through only a smartphone and internet connection. 6. NFTs and digital ownership. Blockchain also revolutionized digital ownership through NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NFTs allow artists to prove ownership of digital art, earn royalties automatically, sell directly to collectors. While speculative bubbles gained headlines, the real innovation lies in verifiable digital ownership, which could reshape gaming, intellectual property, and media rights. 7. Energy and sustainability. Blockchain can support renewable energy markets by enabling peer-to-peer energy trading, transparent carbon credit tracking, efficient energy grid management. Communities could trade excess solar power without relying entirely on centralized utilities. 8. Education and credential verification. Academic fraud is a growing issue. Blockchain allows universities to issue tamper-proof digital diplomas and certificates. Employers can instantly verify credentials without contacting institutions, reducing fraud and speeding up hiring processes. Challenges ahead. Despite its promise, blockchain faces obstacles. Scalability limitations. High energy consumption in some systems. Regulatory uncertainty. Technical complexity. Public misunderstanding. Governments worldwide are still working to define legal frameworks for blockchain innovation. The future of blockchain. Blockchain is evolving from a cryptocurrency foundation into a global infrastructure technology. In the future, we may see fully decentralized internet systems, Web3, tokenized real estate and assets, transparent global supply networks, blockchain-powered AI governance. Just as the internet transformed communication, blockchain could transform trust itself. Conclusion. Cryptocurrencies were only the beginning. Blockchain's true power lies in its ability to create secure, transparent, and decentralized systems across industries. From healthcare to finance, from voting to education, blockchain is quietly building the next layer of the digital world. The question is no longer whether blockchain will move beyond cryptocurrency. It already has.